Welcome to another Zara haul. My name is Payda. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I've got some beautiful pieces as usual. So let's get straight into this video and let me know what you like and what you want me to keep. Alright, here is this look. I'm so happy because it turned out exactly how I wanted it to. It's a lace top and then this waistcoat dress, both £50. It is a bit thick here because I've put basically two collars underneath, but I think it's executed really nicely. Just some nice plain simple black heels, nothing over the top, just really keep it casual because this is enough. Yeah, love it. Love it, love it, love it. So waistcoat is nice, size small for both items. No real pockets, that's fine. I love the button detail in the front. Looks like it's a nice thick material, it's a good material, it's like it's going to last. And the lace is very beautiful as well. Here's the back, here's the side. Love this, this is like my favorite look in a while and I put it together. Yeah, or maybe Zara did, I can't remember. So this is the look of the lace top by itself, paired up with some leather trousers if you just want to keep it casual. Really nice. It's like satin in the front here and the lace is just gorgeous. I got these leather like jeggings from Miss Selfridges. Sorry, I heard a funny noise. Let me go and check on it. So this is a cute little piece. This bag is not from Zara, it's from TK-MAXX. What's the brand though? Okay, you can. I'll look it up. Don't worry, guys. I will do that for you. So this would be my look. Okay, maybe not this bag. I have a skirt in this material though. But the top is from Zara. It's a nice polo, but in a bright blue. Love it. This skirt is a tuxedo skirt. Actually a skort because it has shorts underneath. But yeah, thought this would be an idea. Potentially. Me, I would just really like this top. I would also wear the leather trousers as well. Here's another look going out. If you don't want to always wear a dress but you want to be feminine, of course I would still match it up with this bag that I got as a clutch bag just to carry my phone, my purse and everything. This top is so gorgeous, love it. You can see the detail here as well, like that. £30, size small, love the colour of it, very feminine. I will just wear some nice, I actually have shoes that have this print on them as well. I got them in a Debenham sale and they were only £7. They used to be £45. I did a good job. I love deals. So yeah, this is a cute look. I feel like a pop star in this top. Look at this, like the bra and the top is just doing a lot there. It's actually a bodysuit. As you can see, it's got shoulder pads. £26 and a size small. Love the colour of it. Love the deep V. Love the material. Don't love the shoulder pads. They're just a bit too much, a bit too extra for me. Love the long sleeves as well. Really nice top. But yeah, it's just doing too much. I know I could zip it up a bit more. But it's a bit of a struggle. So I'm just going to leave it alone. I would wear it like this, but it's a return because of these. Well, let's see if we can take them off to friends. So it's sewed in, so I would have to risk purchasing it and then taking them off myself. I don't love it enough to do that. Okay, so here's that print as a dress. Quite cute, hey? Do prefer it as a dress. I think it's more wearable. I would just put a nice big belt in the middle, or you could just leave like this. But yeah, it's quite cute. Very with the parents, or just a casual day out. Nothing over the top. You could wear it in the day with a nice leather jacket, keep you warm. You can put some thigh-high boots and some tights with it as well as it's getting colder. Yeah, really cute. I got it in a size small and I believe it was £30. Yeah, so good price. It is I would say on price, but you could also wait for the sales. I think it'll probably end up in the sale items. Okay, here's this top. It's not that great, to be honest. £25. Got a nice print on it, but just not in love with it. It's got a wraparound detail, and then it's got the elastic at like here. So it fits really nicely on. But yeah, just not in love with it. Not as nice as the other tops, I would say. So it's a miss. This leather jacket is £120. How did I not even realise that? I have a nice leather jacket from Zara that was like £30 or £40 that I got like 2 years ago. It will do. It's got some nice pockets though in the front. Leather feels good. I guess it's real leather. Loads of nice little buckets, buttons. Yeah, it's nice, but I don't think it's worth the £120. Like, no. That was the last item from this Zara haul. So I'm trying to remember. Oh, we got some lovely tops in this one. Lovely tops. Yeah, I really love the top. The floral one, the blue one was nice as well, and I think that was it. But I like the tops in this one. This jacket, $120. I bet you will be in the sale and it'll be like half price, so I would not even bother with this at all. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and yeah, see you in the next one.